Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you the difference between two features. One is a lane change warning and one is a lane keep assist. These features are becoming standard on most modern cars now, and in this case we're going to use a Honda Civic. The first one is a lane change warning. So that means if you drift across a line, left or right, without using your indicator, this is what's going to happen. To set it up, this is what you do. Once you're cruising at speed then, you can see this little button over here on the right hand side in a Civic. You press it, that's the lane change warning button, green light comes on, and the dashboard also gives you some indication that it's now active. If you fall asleep or for whatever reason you're no longer putting steering inputs in, the car will strike the left hand line on the road, it'll vibrate the steering, the orange warning will come up in the dash, and then it'll either keep touching that left lane, or depending on the road camber it may go to the right hand side, but essentially between those lines in the road it's going to keep ping-ponging between them. It's not designed to be comfortable, but it is there to wake you up if you fall asleep, and there's also after about 20 seconds an audible warning as well. And if you are incapacitated for some other reason, if you do manage to slow the car down, it is going to help with the steering inputs. It's basically there as a last ditch attempt to stop you from leaving the road and having an accident. So as you can see, the lane change warning is there basically to stop you having an accident. The second one though is a lane keep assist. That's where you're actively asking the car to help you keep the car between the two lines on the road. To activate this on a Honda, we hit this main button here and we can see these symbols come up on the dash, which is the adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist in this case. Then we move over to the right hand side and we activate the lane keep assist. We see the two broken lines which come on, which means it hasn't identified lines, but eventually it will go solid, and that means it has identified two lines in the road. And what happens there is you're not meant to take your hands off the wheel, but just to show you, it's going to follow the road lines and keep you dead centre between those lines on the road in an effort to keep you comfortable, which helps reduce driver fatigue, and also in those tight lanes on some motorways it's really useful as well to stop you drifting lane. So hopefully now you understand the difference between the two of them, and now you know how to set them up as well, and it's going to be on Honda Civic and also Honda CR-V and all Honda models going forward, but a lot of other cars have this feature as well. If you want more information on features like this, just let me know in the comment section below. If you think the video is useful, please do like and subscribe, and thanks a million for watching.